Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and we got that new Revolver by Bak Industries. You know, the one with the T-slot? Well, we have it on a GMC today. So before I get going, hey, there's our telephone number. If you have good questions, we have good answers. John's here. He will answer them. Our general manager knows everything you need to know. He can tell you about it. So that being said, come on over here, John. What do we have? Again, we got the GMC Sierra here, the Elevation here. This is the crew cab, 5.5 foot bed. And what do we do? Well, we have the Revolver X4TS, sorry. And the T basically refers to the T slot in the thing here. So one thing you'll notice is how low profile it is. It's got a nice matte finish. Comes with a nice 5-year manufacturer warranty. And of course, by us installing this today, we have doubled that warranty to 10. That's right. Really good warranty. Also, we're going to put a 1-year labor guarantee on everything we've done. So before we get started, go ahead and take a good look how everything looks on here. And I tell you, I like this. I think it's a nice clean look. And of course, with the T-slots, everything that's on my truck, I can put on here. Now, these are what I recommend for this. I recommend the Elevate system because it's high enough where the thing can roll and clear. And these tie downs here, another great choice for this, which you can get. So that being said, let's go into how it functions here. Okay. Now, you do have a left and right release mechanism. Why is that good? Well, if you're pulling off to the side of the road and you're a little worried about the traffic on this side, you might want to get around to the other side. So this makes it a little easier. Also, if you got a nice big seal here, and this does a good job of keeping the water out. Also, this is the new one, so this is all nice and black. So and I knew before they had silver and black, but this is all black, so it kind of matches everything a little nicer. If you look here, there's a rubber piece here. Why is that here? Well, you know, let's say you have this open, and if you had bare metal, it could get a little hot. This here, I can barely touch it, but this here, I can touch. And that's why you can go ahead and put your hand on here. You don't worry about getting a little too hot for your hands. It rolls all the way up here. Now, first thing you're gonna notice, it does not block your rear window when it's fully open. It does not block your, if you have cameras up there, it does not block your third brake light. It gives you full access to the bed. So you go on a bike week, you want to take your Harley Davidson and put it in the back here, this will give you the room. While you're moving furniture, this will give you the room. Anything you want to use your bed for, you don't want to give up any space, this is a great cover for that. And again, you can see all the hardware here, and it's all being black. It all matches. Now, you can drive with this open. Basically, you got to secure it, and that's what these guys are for. It comes basically, you roll it around here. There's a little lock mechanism. Once it's in there, you kind of just pull it tight. They do give you 2 of those. And I do recommend using both. It probably work fine with one, but I'm telling you to use both anyways. And again, to take them off, you kind of just push it forward and you kind of turn it. Now, one thing I like about this is how quickly it opens and closes. Seconds. Very, very fast. So if you have to open it, close it, it doesn't take a lot of time. You know, money, time is money, so if you can zip in and out, that's always nice to have. This cover does work with close. You can open and close the tailgate. I know some covers you have to open the cover to close the tailgate. You don't have to do that on this one here. And again, this is a great looking cover. I like how this looks. I like how it functions. It's a great product. It does have a nice marine grade vinyl on top, and then you got your aluminum on the bottom. So you got a nice, it is a hard cover. A lot of people think rolling covers are soft covers. Some are. This one's not. This one is considered a nice hard cover. I tell you, I think this is a great looking product, and even with the T-slots, it's still very low profile, and I like that a lot. It's very clean looking, matches the bed caps on here. All in all, a very good product. It is one of our newer ones. That's why this is the first GMC I've done this cover with. I've done a Ram, I've done a Ford, I've done a couple other brands. I think even Nissan. Haven't done this one yet, and I think it looks really good. I tell you, if you like this product, you say, you know what, Chris, I don't live in Florida, what am I gonna do? Not a problem. We can ship this anywhere in the country. So again, if you live in Hawaii, that's right, Hawaii. You live in California, you live in Portland, you live in Puerto Rico, we got you covered. You can always come here, because I do have people from all over the state of Florida and some drive down here and have us put it on for you, or we ship it to you. And if you buy from us, I will tell you anything you need to know on the installation. The directions aren't too bad, but sometimes you get in there, it's like, I'm not sure about this or that. You can call us. If you bought it from us, you get us. And that's a nice feature. The price is the same for everyone. Main difference is the person behind the phone What's nice is you can see our work. You could go right in there and see 3,500 plus videos. You can see everything we do, so you know we're a good company and we know what we're doing. All you have to do is watch the videos. Again, I love this product. I do recommend it. I think it's one of the better products we have. You really can't go wrong with this. So I think that's about it. So before I go, this is a review of the Revolver X4TS on a GMC Sierra. And I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. And before I forget, like and subscribe. Thanks.